February in Texas. This is our second go-round. A couple of days ago it snowed about 4 to 6 inches. I don't know for sure how deep it was. It's not, it hadn't hardly even started melting. It hadn't been above freezing. But anyway, we'll go for a little cruise out here on the range so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah, I'm driving on top of about a solid layer of about 3 inches of ice right now underneath this fresh snowfall. I hope it stays put. Well, I got the brake set, but I'm gonna get the gate and take some more driving. This is the Texas Big Freeze. Our power's been off, on and off for days. They call it rolling blackouts. I don't know what's going on, but boy, it sure has been ugly. Gotta close that gate. Here we go again. Anywho, let's go see what it is. Winter wonderland here in Central Texas hill country. Man, I've never seen it snowing like this here. Anyway, I got Johnny right here, my trusty border collie, riding shotgun in my little truck. This little truck's awesome. It's a mini truck. It's a Japanese thing, gray market truck. You can't license it for the road, but it's basically the size of a Kawasaki mule overall. It's a Daihatsu Hi-Jet, the 1994 model. Got 4-wheel drive, locking differential. This daggum thing will go almost anywhere. I like it. Anyway, you can see how well it's doing on top of the ice that's underneath this snow. You can see ruts where I drove on the snow in and out of here the other day when it snowed. But I didn't have my GoPro with me. Driving out here with a stock tank, one of my tanks. I got a couple of them. See, I know it's frozen over. It was frozen over the other day when we came out. Yesterday it warmed up to 35 for about 4 or 5 hours. That's just enough to, last night everything just turned to a sheet of ice underneath. Anyway, so, yep, there's the tank, an old cypress tree. Problem is getting underneath the canopy of some of these trees. Well, I probably have to turn around up here. I couldn't get through the other day. I had some water stored in some 55-gallon drums. I thought I was going to be cheap. I could go break the ice and get water. Thank God the animals know to eat this snow, because any water that's in those barrels is encapsulated right now in about 6 or 7 inches of ice, so there might be a couple of gallons in the middle if they're not frozen solid. I know my brewer's grain that I feed to most of my animals, it's wet feed, good feed, but at any rate, all those barrels, since it's wet, they're all frozen solid as a rock. I'm just take the lid off and let the animals do what they can with the frozen grain. And amazingly, they're doing pretty good. Saw a little Tweety bird flying around. You're gonna get your feet cold standing in the snow. I think they're out trying to get, well, no, they can't. They by now they know how to eat snow or water. You gotta say they're probably out here trying to get a drink off that tank, but no, they ain't nothing. But the horses aren't even cracking the ice now. The Mustangs, they're just eating snow. Cows are eating snow. Well, goats, everybody. Can't get water to them hardly. But they're doing pretty good on it. We'll slip around this berm here. Try to get through this. There's a ditch right here we're about to drop through. Try to get up this little embankment. Top of the ice. Yeah. There we go. Pretty cool. I don't think I'm going to go on through and go back here. I think that's far enough for now. I'm going to do a U-turn. But this thing will go. It's just, that's far enough. But we will cross this berm up here somewhere, but we'll go diagonally. I don't want to be caught high center on this thing. There we go, hang on. Look out, Johnny. That wasn't a problem at all. Truck does good on ice and snow. I wouldn't do anything stupid with it though, but it does alright out here where I'm at for my purposes. I'm really happy with the little truck. They're a little pricey, but it's got a heater in it and a windshield and a cab. That's better than those mules I've been using, those Kawasaki's. I know you can get them with them, but I didn't have none that did. Anyway, there's the gate. Thanks for watching.